What's up, YouTube? It's Keisha, and why did I do that? What's up, YouTube? It's Keisha, and we are in the kitchen. What's up with this Kinder mat in the background? What is up, YouTube? It's Keisha, and we are in the kitchen. Today we are going to making a Brussels sprout sweet potato roast with jasmine brown rice. Stay tuned for the recipe. Okay, as you can see here, I've already prepped the Brussels sprouts. They've been washed and cut in half. And now I am quartering the sweet potatoes. Now that we've got that all done, we are going to add our marinade for roasting. So here I have some balsamic vinegar. And we're going to drizzle that over our veggies. Place these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. Now I have here my little rice cooker. Shout out to mother-in-law for leaving me with this nice lovely thing here, making my life easier. And we are going to put 2 cups of brown rice. It's jasmine brown. 2 cups of brown rice. And alright, you guys, it's been 25 minutes. We are going to check on our veggies in the oven. And we're going to give them a toss. Make sure that nothing is sticking. Now we're going to turn the heat down to 375, and we're going to continue to let those cook for another 20 minutes. Alright, you guys, an additional 20 minutes has gone by at 375 for the oven temperature, and our veggies look really good. They're nice and tender and slightly crispy. They're gonna be really good. I'm excited. But yeah, so our veggies are ready and our rice literally just finished cooking. So it was like everything just miraculously finished at the same time. So we're gonna give that a final toss. And those are good. we're just gonna plate things up. All right, you guys, now we're gonna do the plating. I decided to use a bowl because this is gonna be a brown rice bowl. And what I did was took the rice out of the rice cooker and I fluffed it up and added some parsley and curry powder to it because this is a coconut curry jasmine rice. So we're gonna add our rice first. And then we're gonna add our roasted veggies. And there you have it. Curried coconut brown jasmine rice with roasted Brussels sprouts and sweet potatoes. All right, y'all, I decided to try this on camera. So let's do a taste test. That is good. I like the rice and then like the flavor the coconut milk gave the rice. That is so good, y'all. You gotta add the coconut milk. You have to. It does something to this rice. And brown rice is usually hard to give it good flavor. But cooking it in that coconut milk is good. It's good. Okay. This was supposed to be a taste test, but I'm over here eating it. So, if y'all decide to try this recipe, let me know how it turns out for you. Let me know if you like it. Excuse me. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for future recipes. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.